Hello guys, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me, I guess. Anyway, I won't be uploading for quite a while because I am gonna be working on a lot of animations. I have the Friday Night Funk video coming up. I have a few more different videos coming up. I also have a few secret videos that I'm trying to keep secret from everybody until it is out, because the videos are supposed to be really good. I'm also starting a new series. I think I might have some of my friends play some of the characters, but but I don't know why I said if, but today is my birthday. I know that it's April 1st and stuff, and like, you might think it's not my birthday, I'm just joking around, but nope, it's actually my birthday. Um, so yeah, I am now 12. It is a good birthday today. I've had like a party and stuff. I went to a restaurant. I got quite a bit of money from birthday cards and stuff. Happy birthday to me. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a really good day. Even if it's not your birthday, I still hope you guys have a good day. If you're not having a good day, well, tomorrow is a new day. So, see ya guys in the next video.